Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we are going to unbox TWS smartphone earbuds. And so without wasting our time, let's begin. First of all, we have to open our box. You can read all of these if you got time. QCY, the model of the earbuds is QCY T5 TWS smart earbuds. So here is the main box. Where is the opening? Here it is. And here we go. So this is the device. We'll get right to it later. So here we got paper stuff. Sorry, oh my god, it's okay, I don't care. And here is the charging lead. Oh my god, it's so much hard. Here's the charging lead, and you got two pairs of your earbuds. Okay, one, two, three, and here we go with the, why you're not letting go. These are your four earbuds. So we'll open our device. Oh no, from this side. Nice look. And I just want to tell you guys that this thing is made up of plastic, and this thing is rubber, obviously. This is the charging kit, I think. Okay, so the price of these earbuds is, I got them in $12, but at the time I got discount on this product, and now the price of this product is $19. So it is pretty good for the music lovers, or if you want to use them as you call, it's up to you. And I just got them about 2 hours ago, and these are I would really recommend these earbuds. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We'll see each other in next video. Goodbye.